Hi everyone, I'm Ivana from Kalithea and today I'm showing you how to make this cute leather choker. It's super easy and totally beginner friendly, so don't worry if you're just starting out. Here are the dimensions of leather pieces for a choker with a neck circumference of 12 to 14 inches or 30 to 35 centimeters. On one side, cut the points, and on the other side, round them with a special tool. As always, we have to finish the edges properly. Trim any excess, apply edge paint, and burnish really well until you hear that satisfying click sound and the leather feels super smooth and shiny. Trust me, that sound is like music to a leather worker's ears. If your arms aren't tired yet, you're not burnishing hard enough. Just kidding, but really, the shiny payoff is worth it. For the next steps, you'll also need 10 rivets, 1 roller buckle, 1 D-ring, small D-ring buckles, eyelets, and satin ribbon 29.9 0.39 inches. I'm using black, but feel free to go wild with whatever color you love. On the pieces where you cut the pointed ends, mark 3 evenly spaced holes and punch them. Attach the small D-ring buckles and secure them with rivets. When placing the roller buckle and the bigger D-ring, leave enough space for both. I don't measure exactly, but usually about 0.8 inches or 2 centimeters between them works great. Crimp all the rivets with a press or hammer and anvil so everything is locked in nice and tight. Bow tying skills from childhood finally paying off. If it looks wonky, just call it artistic. No one will know. Punch holes and attach the smaller leather pieces to the larger one. Measure and punch the holes where the leather pieces connect and set the eyelets. And that's it. Your choker is done. Rock it, gift it, or make a dozen more, because once you start it's addictive. Like this video and subscribe to the channel for more.